Imagine every volcano on Earth erupting simultaneously. The skies would darken as massive ash clouds block sunlight, plunging the planet into a volcanic winter. Temperatures would drop sharply, disrupting agriculture and causing global food shortages. Toxic gases like sulfur dioxide would create acid rain, devastating ecosystems and contaminating water supplies. Lava flows and pyroclastic surges would obliterate nearby cities, while earthquakes and tsunamis would wreak havoc worldwide. Humanity would face a true survival crisis as the planet's climate and infrastructure collapse in the chaos.